Hey guys, Andrea here with Sunshine and Pixels, and today we're going to talk a little bit about what transparent pixels are. If you don't know what transparent pixels are, it's just basically like almost naked to the eye fuzzy border around your image. If you have an image and it was a smaller size and you blew it up to get to that 300 dpi resolution that we require to be able to print, what's going to happen is it's going to kind of fuzz the edges just a little bit. You can see by this image here, it looks nice, crisp, clean, looks like a great image. But if you really zoom into it, you can see that right here, you've got what's called transparent pixels. And it's basically just kind of like the fuzzy edges. So with our DTF printer, what's going to happen is it's going to catch those fuzzy images and it's going to print the white underbase under those transparent pixels, and it's going to make it look like the image kind of has a little bit of like a white border. So I'm going to show you what we do here to be able to get rid of those for you. We do offer this add-on image editing option on our website that you'll have to choose at checkout. Or you can do this in Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how I do it. There are a couple different ways to do it though. We have an action here that we've already uploaded into our Photoshop, which basically is going to kind of clean up that image a little bit. Sometimes it does take a little bit too much away from the image, so it doesn't work every time. And it looks a little jagged there, but when you zoom out, you can see that it looks super, super crisp. So we've got, this is our new image, and this is our jagged. Do you see right here, you can really see a difference? This is our original image, and right here, you can see it's nice and cleaned up. So this image will print really nice. So hopefully that helps. Definitely just make sure that like you're really zooming into your artwork to make sure that you don't have any of those transparent pixels. If you guys have any questions, comment on this video. I'll try and answer as best as I can. If you're not in the Facebook group, because I am going to put this on YouTube as well, feel free to join the Facebook group, which I'll have linked, where you can ask questions there as well. Here in this program, I am using Photoshop. You can use Affinity Photo, you know, whatever software you want to use to kind of clean it up. There are a couple different ways to clean it up too. This is the way that I can do it quick and easy. You can also use your magic wand though and select all the pixels around it and kind of do a select and mask and clean it up that way. You know, whatever is your preference, or if you don't want to mess with it or you don't really have any of these programs, like I said, we do offer that add-on option as well. So, you know, you can just let me kind of take care of it for you. This should give you a nice clean edged image. You know, just so that you're getting the best quality print for your customers. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any questions though, like I said, just drop them below. Bye guys.